how do I remember the differences between is, are, was, and were?
Right on time, Ketchup. I just wrote a song for you.
You will help me remember how to use is, are, was, and were?
That's right. First, we start with tense.
Okay.
You are doing things right now. We use present tense. That's is and are.
That's easy. But how do I use them?
Well, is singular, that means one. And are is plural, that's more than one.
I get it now. So, Ketchup is happy right now. Ketchup and teacher are happy right now.
That's right. You got it. That was fast.
But what about was and were?
When you did things in the past, you used was and were and you do it fast.
But how do I use them?
Just like is, was is singular, just like are, were is plural.
Ooh, I think I understand now. So, he was a student last year, but he is a teacher today. They were hungry just now, but they are full right now.
Yes, that's correct. Good job.
But teacher, it's so difficult to remember which is which.
Now let me teach you this really neat trick. Is and was and with is so singular they are.
Oh, if is and was are singular, then are and were are plural.
That's right. Easy, right?
How do I remember past and present then?
Now let me teach you trick number 2. Was and were start with W, like way back then. That means the past.
Wow, thank you teacher. How do you sing so well?
MAYO taught me. Now Ketchup, I hope you understand. Is, are, was, were, let's do it again.
I love the song, teacher. And I'm gonna practice with MAYO right now. Thank you, bye.
Bye, bye. Would you like to sing the is, are, was, were song with MAYO and Ketchup? Click on the link.
If you enjoy our video content, click like and subscribe for more content. Let's go sing now. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Quick go. Let's go. Now.